Coming in at number 5, we have the Ajuran Empire. The Ajuran Empire, or the Ajuran Sultanate, was a Somali empire located in southern Somalia that began to form around the 13th century. Its capital was the famous Eastern African city of Mogadishu. Mogadishu is Somalia's largest city, and in its early days, it was a small fishing village like the many villages along the Eastern African coast. Later, it became part of the network of trading towns that existed between Africa, Arabia, India, and as far away as China. Mogadishu's ideal location and its interaction with the rest of the world made this Ajuran city very wealthy. After the arrival of Islam, Mogadishu became the adopted home of Asiatic travelers and seafarers, and these immigrants contributed to the diversity of the city's population. In the early 16th century, a Portuguese writer named Duarte Barbosa had this to say about Mogadishu. "It has a king over it, and is a place of great trade and merchandise. Ships come